Hi Stampin' friends, before I lose light, I'm going to quickly show you how how easy it is to use the Stamparatus. So here's my Stamparatus, and I am using the right-sided plates, and I'm putting my little mat that comes with it down there. I want to make a bigger card, so this is going to be the base for a 5x7 card, and I'm just going to put it up here. I'm not going to worry about the magnets to hold it in place. I'm just going to put it up here in the right-hand corner. And then what I'm going to do is, this is from the Band Together stamp set. I love this big flower. It's perfect for a bigger card. So I'm just going to place the card there where I want it to be. And then in the sentiments, I think I want to choose You Are Amazing. So I'm just going to take that one out, and I don't have it. This is the new cling stamp. It's great because it has enough adhesive on it to cling to the plastic plate for that's on the Stamparatus. So I'm just going to quickly, I just got this set, so I'm going to quickly mount the saying onto the top of the stamp, just like so. Okay, and now, so what you do is you just place the stamps where you want them to be. So I want that to be right there, because I think what I'm going to do is add some ribbon to the bottom. Okay, so I placed my stamps on the cardstock where I want them to be, and now watch how easy it is. I just press the plate over, and the stamps cling to the plate. And that way, you can quickly make a lot of the same card. I am going to use my Memento ink and make sure that I ink the stamp up, and you can see that you're getting all of the little, all of the areas that you want stamped. Just quickly ink that up, and now watch. Look at that, perfect. It's so easy to use the Stamparatus. I will link it below. And if you've seen my videos before, you know that I like to make a lot of the same card. So I will, have my stack of 5x7 and just run through these really quickly. And that's all there is to it.